Okay, so today we discuss about profit, loss and discount. So this is the basic thing is there, that in every day-to-day life we have required these things. In every cases, if we purchase anything, then the shopkeeper getting profit, or it may be loss, or in some cases they are giving discounts. Now how we are getting this, how we are calculating these things? This is the basic thing is there. So for that we have to remember that first concept is that there is three types of prices there. First is MRP is there, MRP, next is SP, next is CP. First is MRP, next is SP, third is CP. So these are the three prices are there. MRP full form is market retail price. That means what is written on the body of the anything, what you purchase from the market, that what is written on the body of the object, that is called MRP. Next is what? Selling price. Selling price, that means the price at which the shopkeeper sell the object. So generally in maximum cases it may be there that MRP and SP are same, because if suppose 5 rupees written on the body of the object and you are purchasing it, the shopkeeper also selling at 5 rupees, then MRP and SP are same. And cost price is what? That means at what price the shopkeeper purchased the object, that what you are purchasing. So this is the for the shopkeeper also, and for your case, that means you are suppose purchasing anything, then cost price means at what price you are purchasing. But what price you are purchasing, there is a selling price of the shopkeeper. So in the case of shopkeeper, there is three prices are there. First is MRP, next is SP, next is CP. Now discount option, what I told, discount means whatever purchase, any suppose in a mall or anywhere you are going there, it is written that 300 rupees is the price, but you are getting 5% discount. So that 5% discount it is given on the MRP. This is the basic thing is there. Discount always given on MRP. Discount never given on selling price. Discount always given on MRP. And if no discount is there, then MRP is equal to selling price. And there is a profit is also there. So in shopkeeper there is a, if sell anything, if there is a profit is there, in that case if profit is there, then selling price always more. If profit is there, then selling price always, profit is there, then selling price always more. This is a bigger one, then only profit is there. And if there is a loss is there, then cost price is more. So this is the basic thing you have to always remember, that if there is a profit is there, then selling price is more. If there is a loss is there, then cost price is more. And discount always given on MRP. After discount, what price comes? This is called selling price. Say an example, you purchase any product, any mall or anywhere, then 30% discount is there. It is written on 300 rupees. Suppose after discount there is come 210 rupees. 30% discount is there. Then 210 rupees you are purchasing na. So there is a selling price of that shopkeeper, or there is an owner of the mall or what may be. So selling price comes after discount on MRP. And cost price means at what price, that means cost price not only purchase, suppose a mall or any organization running, there is a different types of cost also there, na? Other costs are also there. If AC is there, that cost also added with that price. So cost price, at what price there is a purchasing. So discount always given on MRP. What I told, profit, if selling price is more, then only profit will be there. If loss will be there, then cost price must be more. Now in some cases, some problems, they are asking there is what is a profit percent. Profit percent. If they are asking profit percent, then the formula is profit percent is equal to selling price minus cost price. Selling price minus cost price. The basic funda is that as profit, obvious selling price is more, so selling price minus cost price, then profit will come. But percentage if they are asking, then always divided by cost price. There should be no doubt should be there. Divided by denominator always cost price. Denominator never comes selling price. Denominator always cost price. That means depends on which you are comparing. Na? We are comparing with cost price. Selling price may be different. If any product is there, you may sell to different persons. You may sell. So selling price may be different, but cost price is fixed. That for a single product, for a single shopkeeper, so cost price is fixed. So if we divide by cost price, selling price minus cost price is profit. If we divide by cost price into 100, this is the percentage how we are calculating for profit percent. This is the formula is there, and if you remember like that, that always divide by cost price, then automatically you can remember the basic concept if you understand. So this is the formula for profit percent. Now next, If they are asking to find out the loss percent, the loss percent formula is what is different. In loss case, cost price is more, as I told right now, cost price is more and selling price is less. So obviously the numerator just changes. Numerator is cost price minus selling price, and denominator always cost price. There should be no difference will be there. Denominator for profit percent also cost price, for loss percent also cost price. So into 100. So this is the basic formula of the reason loss percent. So this is for profit percent, that is for loss percent. These are the formulas are there. Now in some cases they are given that suppose there is a given that a product is purchased, cost price of the product. Okay, cost price of the product, that is an 50 rupees. Now their profit is given 25%. Profit is 20%. Now we have to find out selling price is what. Now you have to find out selling price is what. So selling price, as profit is there, so profit is there, which one is more? Selling price is more. So first of all you have to write like that, as 25% profit is there, if one term is 100 means percentage means we are in terms of 100, percentage always in terms of 100. That's why if 100 is the we are considering, then 25% profit is there. If cost price is 100, selling price is 125. Why I told if? Because there is a percentage is there. As percentage is there, if I comparing this with 100, then 100 rupees cost price and selling price comes 125. Now if we have to find out the selling price is what, then selling price obviously more because profit is there. So selling price, if we just for remember, if we put a greater sign is there, selling price is more, then what will come? Selling price is equal to cost price how much? 50 into the simple concept is that which one is more? 125 is more. As more selling price is more, so numerator always we put bigger one and denominator we put lower one, like that. 125 divided by numerator we put bigger one, denominator we put lower one, in compared to percentage 100 and 125. So what comes from that, you will calculate selling price will come. But suppose there is a loss is there, suppose in that place same problem is there, here is profit 25% is there, if there is a loss they are given 25%, then what is the difference? Here 100 and 125 are right. Now in that case if loss is there, one term is 100, another term should be 75. Understood not? If one term is 100, another term should be 70, because loss means minus. If one term is 100, another term is 75. So in that case selling price should be less. Selling price should be less, so selling price is equal to 15 to in now as lesser one is there, so selling price is less because of loss. So in numerator we put 75 and denominator we put 100. Numerator we put 75, denominator we put 100. So for loss case numerator should be lesser one, and for profit case numerator should be bigger one. So this is the difference is there. So what we discussed, gain we discussed, gain or profit is same meaning. Gain means selling price minus cost price. Loss we discussed, gain percentage, that means gain percent and profit percent, same concept is there, selling price minus cost price divided by 100. Now loss percent we discuss. Now and this concept also discussed that if profit is there, if profit is 25% given, then one term is 100, another term is 125, and if it is 35 given, 35% profit given, 100 and 125, like that. If loss is 45% is given, then one term is 100, another term should be 100 minus 45, that is 55, like that. Just concept is same, just values will be different. Now one more thing is there, that another formula is there, then I am writing here that loss percent, there is a loss percent is equal to common loss or gain, common loss or gain divided by 10 whole square. So I am explaining what I write here. See, this is another type of problem. What I write? Loss percentage is equal to common loss or gain divided by 10 whole square. Common loss or gain divided by 10 whole square. So what is the L is equal to C by 10 whole square. What is it meaning? That is meaning I am explaining. Say when a person sells two similar items they are selling, that one at gain say X%, another at loss has X%. That means one item same 5% suppose gain is there, same item in loss, another person he lost it at 5% loss is there, then ultimately there is an always loss will be there. If same item sell in two cases, same percentage profit, same percent loss, then ultimately there is a loss, and that loss calculation, how we calculate? Loss is equal to C by 10 whole square. C means common loss or gain. Common loss or gain. So what I told, say X% profit is there, X% loss is there. So in that case, what are the percentages given? Common loss. 5 is given, then 5 we put 5 by 10 whole square. That means 5 by 10 whole square is half square, 1 by 4, like that. So if same percentage is more and same percentage is profit is there, same percentage loss is there, then ultimately you always remember that ultimately there will be loss, and loss percent is equal to that much. And another thing, last thing is that if a trader professes to sell his good at cost price but uses a false weights, that means if a dishonest dealer, several kinds of problem comes. If a dishonest dealer is there, then in that case, dishonest dealer means suppose he gives 750 gram of weight of anything, but it shows that it is in 1 kg. Anyhow, by difference in weights, if he sells at 750, if he gives 750 gram, but he shows it 1 kg or 1000 gram, then there will be obviously profit will be there for the dishonest dealer. So how much profit will be there? That formula is equal to gain percentage is equal to error divided by true value minus error into 100 into 100%. See, this is the formula. Again I am telling that if a dishonest dealer is there, dishonest dealer means, again I repeat, if suppose 750 gram is weight is there, he shows it 1 kg, so that means how much difference will be there? 250 gram is there, error is 250 gram. So for that case there will profit will be there. So how will get the gain percent of that dishonest dealer? Error means how much error is there? 750 gram originally, but shows it 1000 gram, the difference is 250 gram, so error is 250 gram divided by true value means 750 gram and error means 250 gram. So like that, true value minus error into 100. So this is the formula how we will get for a gain percentage for a dishonest dealer if he has done some mistakes there in weight measurement, then in that case we use that formula. Okay, so these are their profit and loss and discount chapter. Thank you.